Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to show Gemini button in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now in the search bar, you have to search for Advanced. Here it is. You have to press on this. Now scroll down. Here you can see Gemini in Messages. Press on this. If you want to show your Gemini button, you just have to turn on this button. That's it. So this is how to show Gemini button in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.